C Drive is full how to free up space in just a few clicks. Most people completely miss this one hidden folder eating up their storage watch and so you don't make that same mistake. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to safely delete old Windows files without breaking anything. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Settings from the menu. Quick and easy, this is where all the magic begins. Make sure you're in the System tab on the left-hand sidebar. Keep watching because the next step is where most people scroll right past the goldmine. Look for Storage, usually the sixth option down, and click on it. Wait a few seconds for the system to scan your drive. Then click on Temporary Files. Mini Hook. This scan reveals exactly what's secretly eating your space. This step is very important. Look for an option called Previous Windows Installation S. Warning: don't just check everything, only select this one. Checking random files could delete something you actually need. So check the box next to that folder only. Finally, click the Remove Files button at the top. That's it, the old Windows folder is permanently deleted, and your space is back. His can free up 10 to 30 gigabytes instantly depending on your system. Hit subscribe for more PC cleaning tips, and watch the next video where I show you what other hidden junk to delete next.